Today we are doing the Wringer. First time doing it, I hear it's pretty brutal. So, I guess we'll just see. Oh my god. You can see all the things down the side of what I'm going to have to do. 20 seconds. Oh, sorry, 30 seconds. So it's 10 intervals? It's 30 seconds. At 360 watts, I think. God. It's pretty brutal. How are we all? We've all been Zwifting. At the minute, in Manchester in the UK, we've got like severe weather this week, so that's why I'm on the Zwift. We've got, like now, it's absolutely throwing it down. Like the rain, I was going to go out, because I'm on late this week, I was going to go out in the mornings, but it's going to be rain, wind, thunder, snow. There's a little bit of sunshine, so I'm still trying to figure out how to do a live stream, so please, if anybody knows how to do a live stream, let me know. I would love to be able to chat to you as I'm doing Zwift, rather than it being like a recorded video like this. For those asking, I use a Tax Flux. That's the trainer that I've got. I tried between it was a Tax Flux and what was the other one? Wahoo, is it Kicker? And the Wahoo was a lot louder, so that's why we went for the Tax one. Today I'm signing up for a very, very difficult sportive, probably I think it's the hardest sportive in the UK, so I guess what that might be. It's the Fred Whitten. The last day of entry closes today though, so I'm going to apply. Darius and Jay have already entered, so, but it's on ballot, so it's, even if I enter, I might not necessarily get in. So we shall see. It's good. It'll be really good because that's like a really good target to aim towards, having that sportive in mind. So if you don't know what it is, I'll put a link below. And if you do know what it is, then you know it's very brutal. It goes up all around the Lake District, and if you've ever been there, the hills there are insane. Hard Knock Pass is, I love reading it actually, some guy wrote about his experience of it, and it was basically saying, you know, as cyclists, if a hill's pretty steep, we'll call it like a cheeky hill, or if it's particularly bad, it'll be nasty. And this guy called Hard Knock Pass a piss take. He's like, and then we got to Hard Knock and it was just a piss take. No other words for it, it was just a piss take. It was a really good review of it actually. I've done it twice before and I've had to stop and push it parts of the way. First time because it was just so steep and I've never done it before. Second time was because a car came down and it's so narrow. Like, because that's it, you have to zigzag it, and a car was coming, I was like, well, I can't just go straight up because you've no idea how steep that hill is. So, and of course I'll be filming the whole thing if I do it, so not the whole thing, but you know what I mean. I think the start is like 6 AM, so it's going to be a very, very early day. I think it's 180k and about 4,000 metres climbing. Alright, we're going. First one. God. What? That's killer. I'll do 10 of them. The way that I always try and increase my watts is there's a hill near where I live, every time I go up that hill, I tell myself I have to get up it above 300 watts. I think it's like you always push your watts, so before when 200 was enough, I'd aim for 220, then I'd aim for 230, then 250 maybe. And then each hill I'd climb, I'd try and look at the numbers and just try and get them higher for longer. It's not a very set way of training. I've never actually really trained properly. This is the most kind of structured training I've ever done. But that's kind of what I would do. Oh, I like that jersey. Here we go again. I missed this easy star again. I'm going too hard. Look at there's 12 intervals. Look, there are only 10. I've got 10 to do. Right, I think Peter's again. Thanks again. Thanks again. I don't know why saying thanks again always works. I just kind of like put myself, like pretend like I'm him. Like Danny King or Laura Trott or someone. Just like get into that mindset. It's a bit ridiculous really. It's like I almost like picture Sagan's legs and pretend like they're on my body. That's a very weird thought of how I look like that. Anyway. Oh. Bloody hell. Got 3 left to do. Legs feel okay, I'm just very hot. I do that fun just to stay on me. This is such a good workout. Thanks again! I find as well I can go fast and put more watts down if I'm actually like looking at the screen. Whereas if I just pretend like I'm in my room, in like the living room, like I don't do it. Whereas when I'm actually chasing people it helps. Right. Thanks again. Okay, last one. Thank you, Kookaburra. Yay! Alright, I don't think that's as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's hard, but I didn't think I'd be able to hit all of them. I did, so that's very good to know. Definitely good training for summer. Pleased with that. It's a very sweaty, very good workout. Woo! Nice. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, it does help me out. So yeah, sorry I'm a little bit sweaty. I will see you next video.